Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Okay, we're going to take this old shower valve out and install a new shower valve. Okay, this is the new shower body that's going in, and we have a tub, so they mark everything for you. This is up, that's going to the shower. Right is cold, hot is always on the left hand side. And then we have the bottom one going down for the tub filler. All right, now I'm going to use my ProPress. I really like this device. It's inexpensive and it works really good. All right, so first I'm going to remove this cover. Even the cover is marked up, so that you make sure you put it where it says up on here. Okay, get your Teflon tape on these. Start to get them wrenched in. Okay, once you have them on securely, then get everything ready. These are going to be for the hammer arresters. Going to use the existing ones, cut them off, put them in here. This will go into the incoming line. And then these go in here. Be careful, make sure this is all cleaned up really good. There. Okay, I want to have a little bit of space in between so that I can put my ProPress on and get them done. All right. Okay, this is the ProPress. I already have the 1/2 inch dies in here. It also comes with 3/4 inch dies and 1 inch dies. They work really good. All right. Put the head in, push that out, or pull it out. Put this in, lock it in place. Now, this is the thing for pressure. Okay. And that's to loosen it. So we want to tighten it up right now. First we're going to get the pipe tight, then we'll get the fitting tight. Pump it. Then you know it won't go anymore, but double check and make sure there's no gap. Then release it. Okay, now we have the pipe is in, it's not moving. Now we want to set this one. Okay, make sure you have it on there right, tighten that all the way up, start to pump. Now you can see everything's moving on me a little bit. That's why you don't want to do it all the way yet. You want to get this lined up. Okay, so that these are straight up and down with this. Double check yourself, make sure it's that way. If you have to turn it on end to do it, do it. Make sure that you're in line so that you don't have a problem when you're putting the pipes on or the hammer arresters, that they're all going to be in line. Double check yourself, make sure this is up, the 3/4 is up for the hammer arrestor. Okay, we have no gap, everything looks very good in line. Loosen it up. Take it off and double check it. Okay, we're in good shape. All right, let me do the other one. Okay, now I have everything ready for the hammer arresters. It's up, 3/4 is up, 1/2 inch down. Okay, they're all in line. Look good. All right, let's install it. Okay, I'll shut the water off first and then cut your lines coming in. Okay, I took the shower one out for now because it's going to be just a tiny bit off and I don't want to mess with it while I'm doing this. Okay, up, up. Okay, and now we're going to put these on. Straighten them out. There you go. Get them all the way down. Alright, now press them on. Okay, now switch to the 3/4 so you can get these two done. Then we're going to put the shower one in. I'm not going to put the tub one in until after I put the tub in so that I don't have an issue with anything sticking out. Okay, now I have supply lines in, the hammer arresters. Okay, now I have it all back together, the water's on, and we're going to set the tub. But I just wanted to show you how to do the shower valve. I just wanted to check everything before I set the tub, make sure we have no leaks. But that's how you install a shower valve with a I'll put the backing in and tie the pipes to it after I install the tub. Alright, building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next one.